Do you know that India has more than 10,000 startups working in the field of AI? This number is even bigger than some of the developed countries. Whether it is healthcare, retail, fashion, manufacturing, or banking, almost every industry in India is using AI to innovate new ways of businesses. That's why globally all eyes are on India, and our country is facing fierce competition in the field of artificial intelligence and data science marketplace. You may have already seen or heard AI being used in chatbots, smart cars, smart home assistants, or video games. But in the post-pandemic world, AI has penetrated operation theaters, agriculture, and even courtrooms. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you 10 startups that are changing the face of AI in India. Hi, I am Tanya and welcome to Inside AIML. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so you never miss an update about AI from a dedicated AI channel. We have picked the most promising names from each industry, so stick till the end to pick your favorite. The first one on our list is IntelloLabs. IntelloLabs has developed a framework for agriculture commodity grading and quality control using artificial intelligence techniques such as computer vision and deep learning. The company offers a mobile app-based, image-based solution that helps add clarity and standardization to quality assessment, lowering value risk and wastage in agriculture supply chains. IntelloLabs is based out of Gurgaon and it works with farmers, wholesalers, retailers, and food service providers. Ask Talos is an effective and smart AI-enabled chatbot system that answers users' query without human interference and gets trained over time by its own. This chatbot helps to automate the repetitive work in the organization so employees can invest their time in more productive work. This SaaS tech company is based out in Pune and serves almost every industry. The next one on our list is from healthcare domain, Doxper. Doxper assists doctors, hospitals, and patients via digitalized records, reminders, and schedules. In other words, Doxper helps doctors and hospitals digitize to improve their operational, clinical, and patient engagement outcomes. Based out of Mumbai, this digital dose to healthcare system aims to make data storage and retrieval simple as well as automate patient follow-ups and data transcription. Similar to Doxper, one more startup which is making its name in the healthcare domain is Artivatic Data Labs. Artivatic Data Labs is an end-to-end AI infrastructure framework based on deep tech, machine learning technologies, and in-depth analogies of genomic science, psychology, and neuroscience. The company enables large corporations, entrepreneurs, and developers to create and implement intelligent products and solutions without the need for extensive growth. It is based out of Bengaluru and offers support for the healthcare and insurance industry. Our next two picks are from logistics. The first one is Loginext. Loginext is the world's leading enterprise SaaS company that optimizes field service and logistics moments, leveraging data analytics and machine learning algorithms all over the world. And the second one is Indie. Indie creates an AI-powered platform for digital operations that are location agnostic, agile, and low cost. It encourages document processing using AI-based knowledge extraction for structured and unstructured data, regardless of the template. Both of these companies offer software as a service and serves clients across the globe. The seventh one on our list is MyAlli. Yes, you heard it right. The name is MyAlli. MyAlli is a groundbreaking B2B SaaS organization that uses artificial intelligence to improve recruitment. Their AI assistant, Alex, handles scheduling and coordination, allowing the talent team to concentrate on more difficult tasks. Though MyAlli AI Alley is based out in Palo Alto in USA. Its management is Indian and it runs its operations from Hyderabad. The 8th feature on our list is RayReach Technologies. RayReach Technologies focuses on providing AI and machine learning solutions in the fields of predictive analytics, prescriptive and automated prescriptive, revenue predictions, sales predictions, HR attrition models, service management cases such as predicting major incidents, predicting SLA breaches, and many others are among the models developed by the company. RayReach Tech operates from Chennai and offers a variety of solutions to the government and banking sectors. The 9th startup on our list is mainly popular because of its efficient security services. Inefu Labs is a company that specializes in IT security solutions mainly for the banking and financial service industries. Its artificial intelligence technology offers biometrics authentication and multi-factor authentication methods as well as data analysis to anticipate and avoid virtual threats. Inefu Labs operates from India's capital Delhi and offers information security and data analytics solutions to banks and NBFCs. The need for AI has been realized by almost every industry, and one good example of the same is Ishitwa Robotic Systems. A few years ago, nobody could have thought of using robotic systems for the waste management process, but Ishitwa Robotics are using this technology quite efficiently. Ishitwa Robotic Systems seek to fix real-world waste problems by developing effective solutions using Industry 4.0 technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things. It is based out of Ahmedabad and serves clients all across the nation. The last company on our list is from the legal domain, Leverton. Leverton is an MRI software company that provides AI-powered data extraction and contracts analytics platform for corporate and legal documents. The company's automated abstraction process eliminates error-prone manual data entry while helping in identifying and removing data discrepancies. Leverton accelerates mundane data extraction process by 50% to 75%, enabling employees to focus more time on strategic, higher value tasks cost effectively. So that was our list of 11 startups in India that is changing the face of AI completely in India. For more details and news on AI, visit our website insideaml.com, which is a dedicated platform for AI, machine learning, and data science learning needs. If you know a company which is worthy to be in this list and we have missed out on that, then do let us know in the comment section below and we will make another video.